Guess what? What? I saw a bird.
No.
Yeah, I saw a bird today.
Where?
Outside. Where else?
Tell me.
What?
More?
It was just flying outside our window.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something big's about to happen.
Something big's about to happen? Why?
Wasn't that what that bird means?
This is a sign.
It's a sign of what?
I mean, of good things.
Is it?
Like, maybe. It had.
What are you laughing at?
Why are you being so funny? I was filming
You pranked me.
No, this is a test. It's called the bird test.
The bird test? Okay.
Yeah. And you ask your partner, or you tell your partner you
Yeah.
saw a bird, and if they show interest,
Uh-huh.
it's a good thing.